It's a stream. Hello and welcome. Oh, god damn it.
Should we jump into dev voice when we stream?
Yeah. Let's do that.
Welcome to a stream. It is me, Walter, your favorite character from the internet.
Wow, great character.
Axel.
Your least favorite character.
Least favorite character.
Yeah, this is a sucky character actually.
Look at his character arc. He
was born, he was bored, he was sick in the head.
Sick in the head, and not the funny sick. He like the sick in the head where you just watch a wall and bang your head sometimes.
Yeah, I do that sometimes.
So boring, sick in the head thing. I hate it.
Guys, the chat is ready to display messages. Also, hello Lucifer, hello Eric, hello Adam, hello Lucifer again.
Hello Adam, hello Lucifer, hello loser.
Why would you say that?
I don't know.
That's so mean and disrespectful.
I'm sick and tired of being a community manager. I want to be a community wrecker.
Alright.
Oh.
You
Hey, Vadim!
smell like...
No, you don't! Jesus Christ! Why would you say that?
Vadim, I'm just doing some community management.
What does it imply?
Can you write a tweet, Walter?
Oh yeah, I can.
Also, see if it's 60 FPS. I think it's 60 FPS.
I can check. Hello, how are you, Vadim?
I'm fine.
Nice.
Mostly just playing Hot Signature today.
Hot Simulator?
Almost.
Heart signature?
Yeah.
Ah! It doesn't sound as good.
No, that's not
See, there's 3 birds!
hot signature. Heat signature. Okay.
Ah.
I'm gonna look it up. Oh, this looks cool. It's almost like, isn't it almost like that faster than light?
Sup Blue, sup Pico.
Like a mix between Faster Than Light and Hotline Miami.
Oh, that sounds really cool.
Because like you board ships and you take out the crew members and there are tactics involved and you can pause anytime like you would in Faster Than Light or equivalent games.
Oh, so you like infiltrate ships?
Yeah.
That's
Well,
really cool.
like mostly. Sometimes there are just missions where you have to kill or disarm everyone.
Guys, see if it's 60 FPS, please.
Okay.
Well, the stream seems to be smooth.
Holy
It's
yes!
like 60 FPS actually.
That's good. That's much better than 15 FPS, which it was before.
15?
Yep!
Was it 15?
It was freaking 15.
Oh god.
Yeah, the problem was that my screens are too big for OBS, so doing monitor...
yeah, you have 4K. Right?
Yeah, when doing monitor recording, it
just dies, yes.
Yeah, it just dies. So doing Windows is apparently much better.
That kind of makes sense.
I wonder how bad of a marketing impact that did, like having 15 FPS all streams.
Well, I think they could watch me instead of those extra whatever frames.
They look at the webcam instead.
Yeah, for sure. Don't you agree with that, Vadim?
Yeah.
That's good.
We really need to fix.
Sup Val? Sup Dom?
For the turrets when they die.
Yeah, that's what we're doing. Oh look, what that was a super big bird bunch.
Super big bird bunch.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. But yeah, when I did the gameplay video earlier today, I felt that there was something off with killing the turrets, like the bits.
Yeah.
Almost like they're too like timed. It's like they're not random enough, right?
Yeah, I'm not sure what's wrong. I've always thought it's just that we need some sounds.
Maybe can we do random range on the weight of particle?
Oh right, there's this issue too. The one you posted before.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm gonna fix that real fast.
Can you fix it?
Yeah, I know what it is.
Okay.
It's because you could shoot at the flower turret as it was playing its death animation. Because it didn't create the corpse until the animation was done. So I added a variable called dead. Just to fix that. So we can tick that to dead. It was also an issue with the beacon, you know, the thing.
Yeah. Did you fix the flickering with the turrets? Sometimes when you shoot them, they change sprite real quick and to another sprite or another frame of the sprite or something.
Wait. For which enemy?
The turrets.
Really
weird.
I'm not sure.
It's like a real quick flicker to... I don't know if it's another frame or another sprite altogether, but it's some sort of flicker. I haven't seen it lately, so maybe you accidentally fixed it.
Yeah, I do that sometimes.
You accidentally do everything.
Yeah, I just accidentally make it right. Can you post pics in livestream chat? No, only our community managers and devs can.
Yeah. You can post links though, right?
Yeah, but they don't embed.
Yeah.
So that way we won't get a freaking troll popping in and posting a disgusting picture of
a dickage.
Yeah, dickage. A hot simulation.
Yeah. That's true. That could have happened before.
Yeah, but we've always had this, so only developer, like the devs could.
Yeah, that's good. We don't want to get banned.
No, actually...
We used to have like 3,000 followers on Twitch before they closed our account.
Yeah.
Or they accidentally removed our account. That's so...
Yeah, it was because we didn't use it.
No, it was because they emailed us and said, "Oh, you're a creative channel. Do you want to move to Justin.tv? It's our creative project or something." And we went like, "Oh, that's cool, yeah." They said, "Don't you remember?" They said they would feature us and stuff like that. And then, like a couple of months later, they closed Justin.tv, so that our channel.
Yeah, that might have been it.
Yeah,
that's convenient.
Yeah. Yeah, you'll get all these benefits, and then they just closed the site.
Haha, gotcha.
Yeah. And when we emailed them, we emailed them a couple of months ago, and they were like, "No, your account is gone."
Yeah,
and we couldn't even get our.
They said
back.
It's because we hadn't used the account in a long time.
That wasn't the case. That wasn't the case at all. They accidentally removed it.
That's what they told me, at least, when I was in contact with them.
They're freaking liars.
Freaking liars!
Yeah.
Yeah, they might actually be liars. High liars. So why is it if host.enemy equals 0, it plays the script enemy hit?
I don't know. Can you send me a GIF? One of those game dev GIFs, or should I make my own? I can make my own.
I'll send you one. It's faster.
Okay.
Okay,
Fred.
Oh, it's too big. Okay, you do one.
You can skip it. Yeah, that wouldn't help, I guess.
No, I can fix it. I can fix it.
Are you gonna post the tweet?
No, I'm gonna send you the stream GIF.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Vadim, someone accused us of stealing the Wasteland source file today.
I mean, people for some reason do all games. Well, like Wasteland Kings is 2 days worth of work on a jam game.
Yeah.
Oh.
I mean, it's like people don't understand that it's easier to just start over than to base your code on someone's source code. Like, taking your time to understand all that shit.
Yeah, and like especially if it's a jam game, then it's like a little bit rushed.
Yeah.
So-
for sure.
Probably not very.
Yeah.
Oh, we got quite a bunch of viewers today, I think.
Cool. Adam did a real nice thing when that guy accused us of that. He linked the first live stream. That's a really nice way of like, shut up.
answering the question.
Look at these 86 live streams and tell us we didn't make this game.
Man, it's some.
I think we have like almost 1 week worth of live streams.
Yeah,
Like
sure.
you can press play and just have us in the background for 1 week as you sleep as well. You can wake up to Axel laughing.
Yeah, wouldn't that be something?
It's Axel laughing again.
Oh, Axel's laughing. I guess
What a
it's
nice
time.
night.
You get a lot of nightmares. Yeah, I'm not really sure what's off about the bits. Maybe they should fly higher up in Zen?
I think can you set like random said? It feels like they
Random Zen?
Random. Are the bits really centered though? The rotation feels very weird.
I mean, I don't have control over the rotation.
No, but the center point of the bits.
Oh, yeah, it could be. No Walter Cam tonight.
No.
No.
My face.
Yeah, we had a look at his face.
And
We decided. Yeah. We. Yeah.
Axel decided. I cried.
No, we can't do this. No.
Walter, is that a pimple?
Come here.
Sorry.
So what is a good way to see the Voidigo? I guess it's doing the math.
Well, you can see the origin point. It's the cross.
Yeah, but I mean go through each sprite.
You can
20, let's say 20.
you can change the frame by pressing that little arrow.
Change the frame. Yeah, but not in real time, right? No.
Well, you could just draw a dot at the object's position,
Oh yeah, true.
and that would be where the origin is.
At the object's what?
Position, like
Yeah,
it's-
draw a little dot in draw event.
it's draw
at
point
the
or
object's
whatever,
X
or
and
draw
Y.
a circle.
Oh yeah.
I'm not sure I understand.
Just draw a circle or something at the objects X and Y, and then you see the origin point.
No, I mean... Oh, wait! You guys don't see the... Oh, that's bad. The sprite editor is not visible on the stream.
Ah, yeah, that's true.
Is it possible to set it like to a portion of a monitor, or that causes lag as well?
No, unfortunately not.
How are you gonna solve this?
Yeah.
You could set it to have windows inside of the editor, but that would be not very desirable for you.
Window inside of the
sprite editor.
So that it opens child windows inside of the game maker window, like it did with old versions.
Yeah.
Axel is having a real thinker.
Why would you shoot? If I add a new window capture.
I want to see if we're getting any viewers on Picarto.
Please, please, please.
We never get any viewers on Picarto. We have exactly 0 viewers on Picarto.
Fuck.
Yeah.
I mean, I could do this.
And you... Oh.
Oh, but when I close it, this happens. Okay, so that doesn't really work.
Well, that's nice. You can draw.
Well, this is unfortunate.
Valonide, Picarto is like a creative streaming service thing.
How do I make it be inside, like in the older versions of Game Maker, Vadim?
What?
Like you said, you could make it so it didn't create a new window.
Yeah, like it's a setting in, I think, general settings. Hold on.
I already have disabled pop-out windows.
You will need to restart the editor.
Yeah, but I did that the other day. So script
still doesn't show them.
Yeah, it works for the sprite properties window. This one here, but then when I go to edit sprite, the sprite editor is not.
Adam gave me some stats on the stream playlist, and 9 days.
Oh, nice! A nice
9
amount of days.
Almost 10 days. Imagine having 1 year of content.
That would be fun.
That would be pretty sad.
Oh yeah, that's what I
That
meant.
would mean we've like been streaming for 1 year of our lives.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Oh.
Maybe we could just upload the streams in slow motion. That would give us more content.
Well, that is true.
When you watch a video on YouTube in double the speed, does it still count in the statistics as the minutes you watch? Because that's a part of the revenue on YouTube, and if someone uploads really long videos and asks everyone to watch it in double the speed, he would cheat the system.
Yep. I'm just googling.
You're googling. You're trying to beat the system.
Yeah, I don't think I can though. Yeah, I'm not sure what the best way to do this would be.
Maybe skip 4K monitors for life.
Yeah, yeah, probably. That's
Get
what I
back
gotta do.
to like the peasant lifestyle.
Yeah, I'll just get 4:3 monitors.
Yeah.
That could be something.
I mean, I have 3 screens total, like usual Full HD ones.
Oh yeah. That's
And
more
because
than
there are
enough,
3
right?
of them, the optimal layout is like a triangle.
Oh. So you have one over your monitors?
I have a laptop on the bottom and 2 monitors on a shelf kind of thing.
Oh, cool.
I'll just go 15 FPS when I'm working inside Game Maker, and then flip to 60 FPS when I'm
you
not
could
working.
make it like separate scene or whatever, I guess.
Separate.
Scene.
Yeah, exactly. Well, that's kind of what I do. I just hide my screen. There's just a hide button in OBS.
Yeah, I mean, I think you can set keyboard shortcuts for that as well.
Yeah, that's what we do when we switch between to Walter's computer.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, let's just do this.
But I think with the bits, I think we have some sort of problem with the randomness in some way.
Yeah.
Feels kind of off. I don't know in what way. Especially with the grass turrets.
Oh yeah.
The cactus turret. I don't know what we're calling it.
Flower turret. I wanted to call it grass turret because we called the first one grass grunt, but you were faster than me and called it flower turret.
Oh, but it's a cactus mama, right?
Yeah.
Like the real name.
Oh yeah.
Cactus mama. It's so weird. We have the working name and the real name. Like the working name for the Thryful is Thryful, and the working name is
Punk Assault. Yeah, but that's the best way to do it, because otherwise we would have to rename.
Yeah.
Or we would have to decide the name as we start, right, and then just be stuck with that.
True.
But I think what's most important is love and having fun.
Is it though?
Now you're making me think real hard about this. Actually, no.
You know what? I'm gonna do my own thing. I have the source code of Wastelands. I think it's a great start.
Oh yeah. See you around.
See you around. Bye bye.
Forever gone.
Yes.
Well, let's try the live changing the flower turret a little bit. I think we can get something cool.
My. It's gonna be interesting when we announce the Discord on our YouTube channel, because I think that's gonna bring some chaos.
Yeah, I hope so.
Some tiny little chaos.
I hope we're gonna get a bunch of freaking chaos.
That's not. That's yeah.
Wow, it would be fun to have a bunch of chaos, actually. Where is the bits for the flower, ma'am?
Why did you? How did you become raided on Twitch?
They hosted. Yeah, I don't know. They just found the stream, I guess.
Oh, okay.
And then he just brought his goons.
Okay. That's the cool thing with Twitch, I guess.
Yeah, that was interesting.
Yeah, that won't happen on YouTube.
No. No!
No, never on YouTube.
Never!
Never given anyone else any views.
No.
Yeah. I mean, YouTubers would do that back in the days, but YouTube doesn't allow that anymore.
Yeah, would you call yourself a YouTuber, Walter?
I would call myself a interneter.
Would you call yourself a YouTuber, Vadim?
No.
I'm sorry to hear that.
I would be surprised if you said yes. The Ukraine's biggest fashion vlog, or something.
Oh yeah, that's true. That's you, right?
Announcing it on stream. No, you gotta do it with him.
With that fashion, you gotta do it. Okay, let's try this out. So, how does it look now?
It looks okay.
No.
Yeah. Looks
Oh,
60
it
FPS.
vanished.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
The
okay.
the stream,
Oh,
but
yeah,
the
it's okay
bits. Okay.
Oh, the bits.
It's kind of boring. It looks kind of boring.
Yeah, I thought. I mean, I think the bouncing is too. I think the weight is too much, maybe. It
Yeah,
kinda
that
goes
could
like
be it.
tuk, tuk, tuk. It should go shoo, poof,
Shoo, boof, boof, boof.
instead of tuk, tuk, tuk. You get me?
I getcha. I wonder how to show this nicely.
What are those? Is it like smoke particles?
Yeah, it's kind of like it's real hot goo, you know.
Ah.
Come on.
We actually accidentally had those because the puddles were coffee before.
Yeah, that's true. So if we try,
We just kind of went with it.
yeah. So
You
I
wanna
think,
show the coding somehow.
yeah.
Like live coding?
Well, I think I'm just gonna do it like this. I'll just pull it up when I'm not coding. So would it be the said? This you said the weight.
Can we set the weight? Can we
Yeah, we can set the weight.
Okay.
So it
maybe
would-
set that to a SP random range
Yeah.
to have random.
So maybe 0.3. Or maybe we should do it like this instead, like the little bits are not as heavy as the big ones.
Yeah, that would make sense. But we should still have a random range, I think,
Okay. Okay.
because yeah, we should have. Can we set the bounciness as well?
You know, I think that's part of the weight.
Okay. Oh, maybe we should be able to set the bounciness, I think.
Yeah, I've been looking for that before actually.
Yeah, maybe I should add that.
Yeah. Okay, so let's do a random range from whatever it was before to heavier.
And now Vadim's live coding comes in handy.
Let's see if I
because
set it up correctly.
just tiny little tweaks. Oh, mama.
And yeah, it updated. I think I did something wrong, but it did update.
What happened?
I flew away.
So,
That's some spacey shit.
so why did that happen?
Hold on.
Oh, it's I random range.
Oh,
I accidentally made it iRandom.
Oh, so it's always 0.
Yeah. 0 or 1. So half of them fly away. But hey, now I don't have to redo it.
Yeah, but you'll have those particles up in the air still.
Yeah, well, they should be... No, they never become death bits, I guess.
Yeah, so they're flying forever.
Well, see you around. All of these shouldn't... None of these should be iRandom. Why did I set them to iRandom?
Maybe you're
idiot. Yeah, an idiot. Is that what you're trying to say?
No, why one of those random kids?
iRandom?
Yeah. ISO random. And then they post a bunch of memes.
Yeah, that's me, alright.
ISO random.
ISO. This is not what JoJo games intended.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try this. Let's see if it updates. It's updated. It's so magical, Jesus Christ. That's better. That's better.
Let's see.
Show thyself. There's still a lot of rotation though.
Yeah. Maybe we should be able to set the rotation amount as well.
Yeah.
Oh, we got Trunks in the Twitch chat saying hello with
a little lady. Hello, Trunks.
Lady.
Hello, Trunks, I said.
Put on those trunks. You can't go
go around like that.
Swimming here without your trunks.
You're swimming here?
Look at this bare butt. It's...
Oh, it's not a bad butt though.
No, it's not a bad butt, it's bare butt.
Oh yeah. So should it be that heavy, like the heaviest ones, or should they be that heavy?
I don't know, maybe they should be that heavy but have a higher speed, you know, so they get somewhere.
Hmm.
What are you working on Vadim?
At this moment I'm just trying to configure my mouse to press the right buttons. Like, it has additional buttons, but if say you want mute in Discord or somewhere else, you do not want it to be some common button combinations that you may need for something else.
Oh yeah, true.
So like I wrote a 6-line game maker program that just presses those hidden buttons, like there are F13, F14 and so on.
Ah, so you're writing a little software in Game Maker for yourself?
Well, it's just for this single use, so that it will press the button, the mouse software will register that button, and it will use it.
Kind of like a mouse when they make the mouse press a button and it gets like a big piece of cheese.
like one of those lab rats.
Yeah.
No. Yeah, Axel.
I think I get it actually.
I mean, Vadim is a mad scientist with a bunch of
little rats,
lab rats running around his home, getting his mail.
Come on.
He has like a rat incinerator. They're all disposable. That's his motto.
That's what it says on the welcome mat.
Yeah, you're all disposable. Isn't 1.4 the current version No, the current version of GameMaker is 2 or something. Or are you talking about the current 1 point something version? I guess it's 1.4 still, right?
Yeah, it's 1.4.70.
Okay.
No!
73.
Will they end at 1.5 or have they already ended it?
I guess they won't because like they already said that they will not add any more like features to the editor.
Oh
They
yeah.
will just do bug fixes and function updates for a year.
They should totally release an update and just call it 1.5 to make it look better.
Yeah, ending on
Like-
1.4.177.
It has been at 1.4 for like 2 years.
Oh yeah. They saved that 2.0 for the new GameMaker.
Yeah.
They could have just pulled Microsoft and released GameMaker 10 or something. Or basically all the phones nowadays, they skip all the non-sexy numbers. So they go straight to like Note. I guess they didn't skip. Wait, they skipped Note 6, I think. And then Note 7 failed, and now they have Note 8. And the iPhone skipped versions as well, right? I don't know.
Yeah, I think the latest one skipped 9, right? I don't know.
Isn't the latest one just X?
Isn't that 10 though?
X.
Oh yeah, X as in 10?
Maybe.
Or X as in cool letter.
Hello, my name is X. X has a cool letter.
Version X. Oh, you mean like the Roman number?
No.
No, like the cool letter X. It's like when I was little, I released games that ended with 2000, just because I thought 2000 was cool.
Well, I mean, a lot of games for some reason had that suffix.
Yeah, blah 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 2000. So bad.
I'm gonna try and make the rotation a bit less. Like the max amount of rotation should be less.
Oh yeah. Maybe you should.
Shut up and just do it.
Yeah. Maybe you should just shut up. Stop. Why do you even stream?
Yeah, no, yeah.
I mean, I don't like your personality.
But
I like.
The way I live.
I like the way you smile. So maybe just shut up and smile and stream.
Okay. Wait. Sprite index is not an instance-specific variable?
Hold on. What?
I'll send you a scribbity chow.
Yeah.
Scribbity chow.
The latest version of GameMaker right now is 2.1.0.212.
Did someone write exclamation mark update?
I have no idea what you're talking about, but actually that smile looks fine.
Thank you, Trunks. Trunks. Tron
I
X.
think I can fix that. Yeah.
Yeah, something with sprite index.
Yeah, it basically doesn't know that it's not a global variable because it's like defined in unusual way.
But do we have sprite index in this? Yeah, we do.
Probably just have something.sprite index.
Yeah, we do. It's true. So that means it doesn't update that script, right?
Yeah, it just sticks to the old version or the original non-live version.
Okay.
Just a minute. Or well, like several minutes.
That's fine, no rush. We can do this the old-fashioned way. Rapat.
Yes.
I accidentally jump into like the voice channels all the time.
You do?
I accidentally click them and I jump out of them instantly to avoid awkwardness.
Oh, I have seen that happening.
Yeah, they look very alike. It should be like a do you want to join?
Yeah, or color coded or something.
Yeah. One thing that would be fun is if you could put reactions in the channel names.
Yeah. Well, I mean, you could probably or wait, does it only allow like alphanumeric stuff?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. So what I think about the bits right now is that we need you see those that fly away, they're kind of in the same spot. We kind of need them to have different frictions, I guess. End up like in a line instead. That would make more sense, I think.
Let's do a random range for the
friction.
Alright, I wanted to just say it's a bit shorter, but I guess you don't want me to do that.
As I said, I like your smile.
But
your personality is benign. I try to rhyme. That's a good start.
Yeah.
I want to become a
reptician?
Yeah, rapper.
A rapper. We should make the enemies walk around a bit more when idling. We should have a timer instead of a random chance.
Yeah, probably. But we
because
should have
sometimes
some random range on the timer.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Like a timer with a random range is pretty standard.
Yeah.
Because if you just have a random chance for an enemy to start going somewhere, it may
just
do
take
some
one
strange
quick
things.
step.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that too.
And then be like, no, I don't want to go there, I want to go here.
Yeah. True. Here comes the true train.
Don't do this.
True.
It's a police officer walking into the...
Imagine like a talk show and someone says true, and that activates. Here comes the true train. And the cartoon train comes in. True.
I think this is a much more interesting, like.
Yeah, wouldn't it be
pattern.
nice to have bits that becomes puddles when they hit the ground?
Yeah, that would be interesting.
Yeah.
It just creates a puddle on impact.
Yes.
That would be interesting.
True.
Here comes the true train. Welcome, droid.
Haven't seen droid around here. I've seen droids before.
Is this the droid you haven't seen around here? This is a Star Wars joke.
Oh. You haven't seen a droid around here. Is that how they did it?
You haven't seen a droid around here.
And he goes to his general. I haven't seen a droid around here.
Alright.
Alright, okay.
Oh my god, it's so
casual.
You haven't seen a droid around here. But yeah, with the friction is much better, right?
Let me
Yes, this is the droid you are not looking for.
You haven't seen a droid around here.
No, it's...
Rock said, "Ha ha ha! That laugh. That's the laugh I imagine people."
Yeah, waking up to. Yeah.
It's Ackle. It's Ackle.
I don't. Good night.
Are you ending the stream?
I gave up. Wow, sometimes they are too bouncy. Too bouncy sometimes.
Maybe add a setting for bounciness.
Well, that sounds like a lot of job. Like a lot of job.
But it's not a lot of job with Vadim's live coding. Have you ever used a programming language before?
No. Ooh, I did the wrong thing. I'm sorry, guys.
What did you do?
I accidentally dragged them away.
Oh no.
I wonder if you can...
It's like all the security guards do to me each time I try to enter the club.
Drag him away.
They accidentally do it though.
Whoops.
Like, sorry.
Oops. Didn't mean to do that. Ay.
Throw him in the trash. Whee!
Is that you?
I'm so used to it, so I'm just having fun.
Whee!
I wonder if I can find some nice food in the trash. I'm a dumpster diver.
I know.
One man's food okay, I can't do this.
One man's food trash.
It would have been a saying if I managed to do it right. Do we have any viewers on YouTube?
We might.
Oh my god, Axel, we have 160,000 subscribers.
What the heck? What the heck?
And we actually have 4 viewers on YouTube.
Yeah, 4.
Well, one of them is me.
Oh,
ooh.
no.
Yeah, that's kind of like when your mom is watching your YouTube channel. Can't count that. Clap. You are my 100 follow. Thank you. And you're welcome, I think. So I'm wondering, maybe we don't want to have smoke on the purple pods. Do we want to skip that?
I don't know. Maybe not. Yeah, maybe skip it.
We can try it.
But I mean, I would have want. I don't know. Maybe skip it just so that people don't think the puddles hurt you or something.
Yeah. Yeah. Where do we create the pods?
Where do we create the little paddles?
They aren't that little.
True. Oh, that's right. With these like clip-on mics, you can't whisper because everyone hears it.
Yeah.
I have committed the fix for the instance variables.
Nice. actually very nice.
And that comes from Axel. And
Yeah, and I can't really do superlatives that often.
It's very special of him.
The main menu kills the birds in the middle.
Yeah, it's sad.
Yeah, it's pretty sad actually.
Why? Oh, because like the room is too small.
Yeah, I think it's because the view is up in the left corner instead of in the middle.
Yeah, I remember having some problems with it, and I just made the menu draw at the view position instead of where it's supposed to be.
Yeah.
Those birds, they don't belong there anyways.
Oh,
Excuse
that wasn't
you.
intentional.
Nope.
I thought it was like just a small feature to make it more lively.
No, oh, thank you, Droid. 64 down for following. It was just I added them to the world, and since it was constant, they got into the menu as well.
Yeah.
But it was kind of cozy, so.
I did the marketing thing today, Vadim, where I commented on all of our videos, like all of our animations on YouTube. And you can pin comments, so people look at comments way more than they look at descriptions. So I thought like pinning a comment with the Discord channel would be a
Yeah, it's a good idea.
little thing. And I think we actually gained some people.
Maybe even some friends.
Maybe some friends. Yeah, we have 221 members today. That's nice. I think we'll double that when we announce on YouTube, though.
Oh, yeah, we might actually.
Are you looking at some
oh, according to these. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, these statistics I have here on my paper, they say, maybe double.
Maybe double.
Imagine being like a numbers guy in a company that doesn't know anything about numbers, and you don't know anything about numbers, and you just wing it.
Imagine being all the people.
Is that a Lennon song?
No, that's from my brain. I wouldn't do that to you.
Okay.
That's the sound of me sweating. Yeah.
I mean, if humans had like a 2,000-year lifespan, I would want to try to live a fake life for like 5 years or so, just moving to a city and pretending to be someone else, like a douchey just someone else completely.
Just doing some 5-year method acting.
Yeah, improv.
Yeah.
And because if you live for 2,000 years, you gotta find ways to have fun, I think.
Yeah. If you're gonna live for 2,000 years, might as well enjoy it.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, right?
I have a question though. If you would live for 2,000 years with like the current biology of the brain, wouldn't you forget your previous life after a while?
No.
Maybe if you write down like on post-it notes.
I did this 2,000 years ago.
Right.
All right. I had my baby face.
Take us a trash.
Yeah.
All right. I was living in the trash. Why did I want to remember this?
Yeah. That would be so weird.
Actually, yeah.
You would be able to live so many different lives if you wanted to.
If you wanted to.
But I think the human nature is to settle with something you're
2,000 years though, dude.
True.
Here's the true train. Yeah, I think it's better without Steamy.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do that for the babes as well.
Oh, the babies?
Yeah, the babies. Oh, how are you? Okay?
Oh yeah, Vadim, we actually got a voice actor for the grass turret, and he got his son to do the baby turret.
Oh,
Yeah, it's really fun.
adorable.
It's gonna be really cool.
Yeah.
I could play his first test that they did this morning.
Yeah.
This is the baby unfold, when the baby is unfolding and being jumping up from the ground. And this is the tell when they do the M mouth.
It's gonna be fun.
And this is right before they explode. It's gonna be so good.
Yeah, it sounds so cute.
Yeah. And then imagine like a booming voice doing the mama, and then the baby mimicking with that voice.
Yeah, it's gonna be cute.
Yeah, it's gonna be freaking great.
It just adds a lot when you have real children do children voices.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, it does so much.
It's weird though, because all the bits for the other stuff looks goddamn fine, right? Like the rotation and everything, it looks really good.
Yeah.
I guess we just had some bad settings for the.
I mean, I think it's because the flower turret is alive, and the bits are very static.
Oh yeah, true.
So like, really, you would want it to do a little bounce every time it hits, like the ground and stuff like that. For it to feel
almost would want kind of wet pieces.
Yeah.
Imagine them hitting the ground without any bounce at all, and just doing a squishy thing and just sliding.
Yeah.
We could do separate bits.
Slide a little bit.
Yeah, but instead of rotating on the ground, being like stuck to the ground and kind of squishy, that would add a lot, I think.
And just doing a little bounce.
Yeah.
Yeah, something like that would probably look better.
We need to look into the bits disappearing when hitting walls as well.
Yeah, sometimes they just
I did a fail-safe thing, because sometimes they got stuck in the walls, but I guess that just to remove them randomly sometimes.
Yeah, and it seems like it happens very often.
Gosh damn.
Gosh,
But that's gonna be so easy to fix with Vadim's new live code extension. Buy it on the Game Maker Market.
Is that the real name, Vadim? Is it Vadim's real live extension on the market store?
Real live? I didn't say that. I said live code.
I think you said real life. No, you didn't. I'm sorry. I don't mean. Look at these. They spawn right next to each other. What does that mean? What's the lore behind this?
Oh, well, those are pretty rare as well.
Yeah.
But is it live code? Within?
It's currently called gmlive.gml because I had that web-based program called gmlive where you could execute pieces of GML code right in a web page. And this is partially based on that, except it works inside of GameMaker itself instead of a web page.
Man, that's so cool. You've basically made Game Maker cool. I mean, you should get a bunch of money from Yo-Yo Games.
Or at least a medal.
Yeah, a golden medal.
Yeah.
No, silver.
Yeah, probably
medal,
silver actually.
Like silver medal, but with like gold coated. That's more realistic.
And then gold, like chocolate inside.
No, not chocolate. Those are pretty cheap, Axel. I know you like them, but
this must be priceless.
Stupid.
Chocolate all around the mouth.
Yeah.
Tastes like priceless.
This is much better.
This is much better than what?
Yeah.
Oh well. Okay, yeah.
Well, in an apocalypse,
All right.
chocolate gold would be better, right?
But what about making weapons?
So you want to make gold weapons?
Yeah, because in Minecraft they are pretty good.
They're not though.
Yeah, they break quickly.
Yeah.
Which is more or less what
they
you
would
get.
be super heavy as well.
No, gold isn't
Axel,
heavy for me.
Sorry, it's not heavy for you.
Check this out.
And you're carrying a little gold ring.
Check this out.
Oh, wow. I'm following a YouTuber that went to Alaska to mine for gold. That's super interesting.
Did he find any?
Yeah, like tiny specks of gold, but they dig up buckets full of dirt, and then they put it through some kind of machine that makes the gold fall to the bottom of the machine, I think, and the lighter stuff washes away. And it's so. I mean, it's cool to watch. It's a painful process, but it's cool. I could do that. Just mine for gold and hope I find a big ass nugget.
Is that what you're gonna do with your 5 years?
That's basically game developing. You hope that you hit the gold nugget, but you don't know.
But you don't know
until you release.
Ooh, it was a gold nugget.
This could be a little speck, or
it could be cat gold
or chocolate gold.
Is cat gold a thing in English?
Cat gold. Oh, Vadim, do you know what cat gold is? Or is that a Swedish thing? I don't know.
Well, I mean,
it's like not very valuable gold. It's what they find instead of gold, and then they get sad.
Yeah, it's like fake gold.
Oh, that's cat gold, and the rich man from Hollywood that went for a hiking trip is like, no, I thought it was real gold, like the one with the chocolate inside.
Yeah, you find that
in the river.
Yeah. Oh, chocolate gold.
Fool's gold. Yeah, that's it.
The
hello, Verbal. Hello, Ian.
Hello, Ian.
Yeah, Ian's in.
Oh, he's in the live stream?
I think you have access to the dev voice if you wanna jump in.
Yeah, please jump in.
Please.
Please! These guys are super boring.
Don't make me angry
Oh.
with myself. Don't make me hate.
I'm actually a community manager, and I can tell you that
You stand up at a bank robbery. Wait.
I'm a community manager. I can manage this situation. Look.
Get shot in the head.
Yeah.
Look!
look. We can solve this. How much money do you want? Many. Oh look, they want many monies. Do we have many monies? Can we give them?
Can we get a survey up?
He's like just helping the robbers get the money. Look, this
Thank
is
you,
easy.
Engan. And Engan, you're
solving-
also very welcome to the Dev Voice.
We're solving this situation here.
See, it's freaking 60 FPSs. Isn't this how many
do the-
FPS you want?
Do the
That's fine,
gun,
Engan.
Do the do the gun rotate when you flip?
Yeah, I fixed that the other day.
Oh.
And you can do it in slow motion. I actually fixed so the player animation can go in slow motion. Just it was an easy fix, and it feels so cool when you do it.
Yeah, Vadim.
Sorry, I'm doing slow motion
Is there
sounds.
any way to play the particle system in slow motion, because we have like a time
No,
variable?
with built-in particles, you can only define like the start parameters. I mean, I guess you could technically just update it once per several frames manually, but it will look not good.
Yeah.
It will just look like slow down per frame animation.
That's quite limiting of yo-yo games.
Yeah.
It's
Just to have like a
intended to be-
time scale, like a global time scale for the particles would.
Okay, yeah. Well, you're always welcome. If you see us streaming, just pop in.
What did he say?
He said, "May I recommend the sound effect for the slow-mo jump?" And then he linked here, but it was it was a mistake. I thought he meant we should keep my voice effect. I did with the mouth.
Oh, hello, Engan.
Hello, Engon.
Are you guys talking shit about me?
Yeah, actually, we were talking about that thing you have between your teeth.
Yeah. Is it?
May I?
I actually, I moved my tongue and. It's one of those like instincts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't mean
guys.
to scare you.
Oh,
Hello.
So have you done anything
No,
today?
we're just.
We haven't done anything. We've community managed.
I've looked at live a little bit.
Hmm?
Yeah.
I was thinking to do some look dev live on the
So,
power up pickup text.
so Engan,
Yeah.
imagine being
All
able
the-
to change your video without re-rendering it. That's basically what Vadim did here.
Yeah, we talked about it yesterday.
It's crazy.
I mean, let me tell you something about this.
All right, it's time to listen.
Groundbreaking.
Groundbreaking.
Kind of like a drill, like a big drill.
It seems like it's gonna save like a lot of time.
Yeah, we talked about that as well. It's gonna be months, I think. I think we're gonna save at least like 3 months of development.
That's
At
crazy.
very least.
I love it.
That's so cool.
Kind of
But
like you're making music now. Like you're just sitting there, adding to it.
yeah, it's so cool.
yes, kind of makes it. I mean, the music is actually one of the few things that you can do that with, like in most software. Well, I guess,
Yeah.
and kind of with artwork if your editor supports that.
Yeah.
because you can watch your animation play over and over while you edit.
Yeah.
And
So-
like in GameMaker Studio 2 image editor, you can actually paint it while it plays.
Oh yeah. Why you're playing the animation? That's really nice.
Yeah, I don't think it's going to be used.
It's pretty gimmicky, but it's
Yeah.
still kind of cool.
We basically
Yeah.
had particles like that in Thunder Humor a lot, and that would have saved us time if that software had that. But the only like animation software, like HD animation software that has that is what is it called? TV Paint,
Yeah,
something like that.
the anime.
And it's way better to just do it by hand, like animated particles by hand, because you get better timing and all that sheesh.
Yeah, but if you have like a gun to your head, then you gotta do it super quick.
That's true. I
Yeah,
would
yeah,
do
that's
that
a
3D.
situation I find myself
Oh,
in.
that's a situation.
That's a shit situation.
A shit situation.
A shit stain.
Oh no!
Don't say that.
Don't say that. Especially
Oh,
not
shit.
when you point into that country on the map.
Oh. I didn't know I had an Axel exclusive webcam in.
It's a shit stains nation.
Hello, Axel.
Hey, I can see you waving.
Having it in 60 FPS now is gonna like increase marketing.
Yes.
Yeah. Hang on. Axel had it in 15 FPS.
I
before.
know. I've told him multiple times. It looks like shit. Do something about this. It's making it look like a super like bad game. And now it looks like a really really good one.
Well,
Yeah.
I think it's important that we're all happy and friends.
And you have your goddamn 4K monitor.
Well, I didn't know what freaking did it. I
Of
didn't.
course it's the 4K monitors. You have a bad graphic card.
Come on.
And you're using 4K monitors.
It's OBS.
You're pushing.
It's actually not my graphics card. It's OBS because otherwise my computer
You
would
know
lag.
what?
Yeah.
It's OBS.
Okay. I understand that.
It's,
Or is this the Grassman from freaking Lord of the Rings Hobbit
It's
edition?
Groot.
Oh,
Hobbit edition. Yeah, watch that movie.
I am Groot.
Imagine like,
I am Groot. It's exactly like Groot.
oh,
Yeah.
Vin Diesel, you're doing it right, Vin Diesel. And
Why
he's
did
like,
everybody think that Groot was so funny? No offense if you love Groot.
no
but I
offense to
don't
Groot.
understand.
no.
I mean, it's like
he's basically like Kirby or something.
Kirby.
I don't know.
What the fuck are you talking about?
I mean, Kirby is a quiet character,
Yeah, but the Groot says
and he says like,
Kirby's a quiet.
I am Kirby
yeah, he says, "I'm Kirby."
as he sucks up.
Yeah,
I like Kirby.
Yeah, he's a good
Kirby is a
guy.
nice character.
It's a good, iconic character.
Yeah.
It's a freaking blob.
Yeah.
Let's just be frank. It's a little ball with feet.
Oh yeah, I'm
And
drinking
I
Coke
know.
Zero.
I saw like an
Yummy.
I saw like an interview, and they said we wanted everyone to be able to draw Kirby, and it's like, oh, and then you're like, no, you were lazy.
Oh, I
They
see.
could have made a super detailed fox instead of Kirby.
Yeah, what
That's why
if?
they made Star Fox,
Yeah.
Yeah.
the dinosaur game?
No.
Oh yeah.
It's
Hon-
funny.
honestly-
I had that on GameCube, and I loved it when I was a kid.
The Star Fox game,
Yeah,
like the super low poly one,
no, the dinosaur one with
the
the
dinosaur one.
That was kind of
Oh.
like
Wasn't that super stupid? I think people hated that because it wasn't really a Fox game.
Yeah, that's why. But I wasn't, I didn't grow up with Star Fox. I didn't give a shit.
No, that's true.
I liked
mean,
it.
I mean, it's like with Banjo-Kazooie Nuts and Bolts. Some people really like that game.
Yeah. It's just
And,
like a fun platformer.
Yeah, it's a matter of not letting your nostalgia put down the game, you know.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Is
that's
Voidigo
true.
gonna be nostalgic for people? Do you think?
Everything is nostalgic. I mean, I felt some of those feelings when talking to Verbal Processing, the voice actor, and
Yeah.
that's because we used to have him as a voice actor on Found Humor like 5 years ago.
Used to have him.
What?
Used to have him.
That's you can say that.
Yeah.
Used to have him.
Axel,
All
Axel,
right.
now
Well,
you're being-
fine. Whatever. Say that.
lay down, lay down,
All right.
lay down.
Well, fine. Down.
Can someone get his collar?
Yeah, I can do it.
No. You're rolling away.
I pat myself.
Yeah, I'm still laying down.
There.
And then you're like, what? Looking at us, smiling and saying, "I'm on the roll."
All right.
All
Oh,
right.
I got another bug. With them.
Vadim. Axel.
No,
Bug.
I was doing a screenshot. This one. It says it's not an array.
But what
Oh
is
yeah,
that
let's
line?
see. What is that line? That line is.
Is this like a game show? What
Is that line?
It's you haven't seen a droid around here from Star Battles.
Star battles.
Star Fox Wars. Wait a
Star
sec.
battles.
Imagine just changing history a tiny bit like that, going back in history, going back in time, and just changing Star Wars to Star Battles.
I called
How
it Starfight.
how do I
It's a
know
no-
what
no
line?
button.
How do I know what line it
It's-
is with him?
It's the first number
Okay.
before the.
What's the second number?
It's the position in the line, like column.
Ay ay.
Ay, 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 mia madre, por favor.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
Ay, ay, ay.
Oh, it's other.x and other.y.
Oh, okay.
That's. But maybe you fixed that with the last submit. I haven't got it yet.
No, I need to fix that as well.
And then the other one is line 24, and that's. Oh, that's the alarm. So
Okay.
alarm set I'll use instead. Royce. I gotta go to bed soon though.
Okay.
Is that okay with him?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, cool.
Vadim is our bed boss.
Network code and bed boss.
A bed boss. Imagine having like a tiny little human by your bed deciding when you can sleep or not.
You mean an alarm clock?
No, bed boss.
Ah.
And he's like a middle-aged man looking successful but super tiny in his suit.
And really tired. Like
This is a
he.
real fantasy.
Yeah, he's like, I gotta get home to my family.
Come on, go up to bed. I gotta get home to my family.
Hey,
Oh, come on!
you're up super late again. Miranda's gonna be pissed.
Looking back and forth at the clock. Ah. Okay, but I think I'm gonna bounce now. But we've been doing some tests. We've been trying stuff out. We haven't done super much.
The live thing really helped us out, and it's a nice thing. And
These aren't the robots you're checking on.
We should do a thing where we do like a podcast and we try to come up with like different variations.
Yeah, alternative versions of.
Famous quotes.
I really like that these aren't the robots you're checking on. It's so bad. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Thank you, Vadim and Engam, for stopping by.
Yeah, I mean, it's been
A pleasure.
a pleasure coming in here for 2 minutes.
Probably both physical and mental, am I right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Well, I'll see you guys next time.
See ya.
Bye!